Hello again. Today we're looking at Joby's mini GorillaPod. This one stands about 10 centimeters high and it's for loads up to 325 grams. So don't go and put your DSLR on here because you'll have trouble. Now I'll just show you the boxes, the side, the back here. It's giving you a little bit of information about what it's made from, and it's telling you about the magnetic feet. If you notice, it's got red feet, and that means that they're magnetic and they're quite strong. So they're excellent for hanging your camera or standing your camera on metal railing and fencing and getting some good shots or some unusual shots. Okay, so let's open this up and have a look at the little tripod itself. Now, because it's only 325 grams, you can use it for things like smartphones up to the new Note 10, new Note 10 Plus. You can use it for that, no problem. You can use it for the Sony RX100 that's just come out. Anything small like that. The Osmo Action, Osmo Pocket, all of those sort of things. Okay, so there are the red feet. And it's got two more red rings. One at the top, one on the bottom joint. As I said, it's about 10 centimeters, and as you can see, it's got a nice strong magnet in the feet. It's actually quite difficult to pull it off. Okay, so whether this is 325 grams so that when you're hanging it upside down, that's the maximum for the magnet, that's possible. But I still wouldn't go and put anything heavier on it because it's not strong enough. Right, so the legs fold out this way. It's got a ball joint head, but it doesn't have any kind of adjusting or any type of 90-degree angle slot or anything like that. So here we go. So this is the little Joby. What's it called? The Joby One Grip, I believe it's called. I've got a separate video on that if you have a look through. And there we go. So you can stand it, open a bit wider. There you go. So you can balance it on there. Better if your legs are a bit closer together, I think. But it does work quite nicely. And you can attach it to anything made of metal. So you could stick it on your car, you could put it on railing, fencing, anything like that. And I'll do a couple of videos later on showing you what I use it for. I'll be using it with the DJI Osmo Pocket and Action. Right, for now, I'll let you go and I'll see you next time.